What's up guys, back again in the video, and today we are putting some struts on the s2000. Some used set of spoon fixed struts. I know I probably should have got coil lowers, but I don't care. Got a pretty good deal on these, so let's go ahead and get started on installing them. Oh, by the way, I got a truck. First we're gonna jack up the car. When you're doing this, make sure there's like a little block up there. That's like part of the subframe, I believe. Make sure your jacket's on that. Oh, and also chalk your wheels. But I'll do that later. I have my e-brake on. I'm doing the fronts first. Yeah. Alrighty, so here's my first person view of the what we're looking at. This is the right front side. So the first thing I'm gonna do, get the brake caliper and rotor off, and then we're gonna go from there. So first things, I'm gonna lube up all of these bolts that are on here. Just gonna probably get everywhere, even my camera. Bottom bolt over there, and then get the back side of that bolt. Gonna turn to get the back side of these caliper bolts. Oh yeah. Get my tools here. Your boy came prepared. Whoa. Oh, the 17s. Oh, okay. I really don't like using the gun, but I will do what I must. I'm gonna replace these lines as well. Oh, actually, let me get my chicken wire. Alright, we're back. Easy enough. Oop. Easy enough. Oops. I keep hitting the fucking thing. So, got the other the driver's side out. One thing I want to point out before I move on to the rears is then when I was doing the right side, I did a lot of super unnecessary shit. I didn't need to remove the sway bar end links. All I had to do was remove the upper, the two the bolts for the control arm mounts over here, and that's all I had to do. And it just gave me so much more clearance to just slide this out, and I'm pretty sure, 100% sure, it'll be like installing the breeze. So that's just one thing to note. I might actually, when I'm editing this, I might actually put that in the beginning or so or something. I don't know, we'll see. But just to let you guys know, that's all. So yeah, let's move on to the rears after I get this stuff together. Another thing to note is when everything's installed, before you start tightening things up, you want to get like a jack or something to put tension on this control arm, so you don't fuck up all these bushings that are inside here. I'm actually surprised these bushings are in decent condition. So yeah. Don't want to do that. Is it a 14? No, it's a 17. Or a 19. What the fuck? My face. Just out the way. Out the way. Always keep your tools organized. Anyways, now I have these sway bar end links. I'm gonna get the bottom one off first. Can I get a wrench in there? No? Okay, fine. Of course. Ill prepared. Hey, I got a game for y'all. Take a shot every time I walk back to my toolbox in this video. Come on, man. Yeah, see? Another shot, guys. See, if I was a flat rim mechanic, I'd be fucking not good. But I'm just here to record my experience Ah, you fucking cock. Another shot. Great. Oh, there it is. Probably need to get a new set of these these end links already. Is B. They said be a car guy. It'd be fun. Ow, my face. Oh yeah. Get that fucking shit off of there, man. Now that this is out, and this nut over here is out, I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt the bottom. Can't really see it on the other camera, but on the bottom strut bolt. Yeah, that should be. I don't even know what size that is. I'll put these over here in my very organized tool tray. I'm gonna guess it's a 17 because I am a professional at this. Told you. Oh, shit. Ah, you're gonna be like that today, huh? If I go in the top of the car and remove these two bolts here, I should be able to wiggle this thing out of here. Of course, I don't have the right one. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna take these off. I don't know which one's left or right. I'm just gonna assume whichever that brake line is pointing will be the one that needs to go. Thank God, dear Lord. Come on, get the frisk out. Ah, there you go. Hi. Holy fuck. Oh, shit. Alright. Here we go. Let's compare the two. Yeah, so it's basically OEM. If you look at it side by side, there's really not much to it. Well, in terms of adjustments, I don't want to let you guys know that this is not professional I'm doing at all, but who cares? Who cares? Motherfucking spoon parts. Get in there. Alright, so before I start going at it on the rear struts, I need to get the interior of this out of here. So there's a few of these clips here that just pop right out like that. I don't have the little tool you use to take apart trim pieces. Kind of just working my way in there. Oh man, that's gonna be fun. But yeah, the top of the strut bolts for this left side are over here. Hey, maybe I should have bought coilovers. Oh, whatever. Yeah. Oh, at least this one's easier to get. Oh, it looks like this is removable. This bar over here. Okay, so that helped a little bit. I should be able to wiggle a 14, a couple of 14s in there. All right, let's see if I can fish this in here. Get that in there.